sis. So today we're talking about the power of forgiveness, letting go for inner peace. So let's talk about something liberating, right? Forgiveness. So quick story, I always have a story. I worked in the school system, and at the time my leader, when I tell you I love my leader, I really bought into the vision. And things had transpired with staff that really triggered me, really made me feel like, our relationship, questioned it. I felt hurt. And I ended up leaving and transferring to another location. But after that, I still kept in touch because the love was still there. Like, we had a relationship, like, quickly we just connected and vibed, right? And for years, even though I didn't work with the individual, I still would think through it. My relationships at other locations and other roles, like, you could tell that I was still holding on to it and I didn't have inner peace. And I remember having a very clear dream that we had the conversation that we never had, right? And I woke up feeling so refreshed. And I actually had the opportunity to have that discussion. It wasn't face to face, but it still served its purpose, right? And after that, when I tell you I had so much inner peace, and I held on to that unforgiveness for over 2 years. For over 2 years, right? And I was walking around without inner peace. So I want you, sis, to understand that forgiveness is real and that you may think you're fooling yourself, but if you haven't forgiven, you are walking around with it and you are not at peace, right? Take it from me. So you might wonder, why is forgiveness so crucial? Let me explain it. Forgiveness frees you, right, from the burden of anger and resentment. It's a gift that you give to yourself for inner peace and emotional well-being, sis. Like, for real. It's about you, not about the other person. Think about this. How often do you hold on to grudges or past hurts? The argument with a friend, a mistake made by a loved one, or even your own missteps. What if you made it a habit to let go of these grievances? How would that enlighten your heart and your mind? I know for me, I felt so light. Oh my goodness, I felt so freed. I felt so good. Still do, even talking about it, right? Here's the challenge. Reflect on one person you need to forgive, including yourself. Start with a small step towards letting go. It's a journey. Sis, it's not a sprint. So, I would love for you to share. I would love for you to hold yourself accountable and drop a comment below and tell me, what's one thing you've forgiven recently? Let's support each other in this path to peace and well-being. Remember, forgiveness isn't just an act. It's a powerful tool for a healthier, more peaceful life and a better you.